Hey food bloggers, getting eyes on your recipes is super important. So is getting traffic to your site. But those things aren't always easy. The internet is a huge space. You might have the best enchilada recipe ever, but your readers have to search Google to find it every single time, and they often end up on someone else's site. They might see your recipe on social media, cool, but later they can't find it. Of course your readers want to come back to your recipes, so they'll print, pin, screenshot, or write them down for later. And that's great for them, but it's not helping you grow your business. On top of that, it's exhausting trying to keep up with Google and Facebook's algorithm changes so your recipes don't get buried. It's no wonder only a small percentage of your readers come back. But we have a fix for that. Prepear is a connected cooking platform that helps home cooks organize their whole process, from recipe saving, to meal planning, to online grocery, to getting food on the table. Users can save recipes in Prepear, which means they keep coming back to the ones they like. Every time a user opens your recipe in Prepear, the directions show through a window to your site, so you get the traffic again and again and again. Plus, their phone stays awake the whole time they're cooking. They have an easy time following your recipe, and you keep your ads rolling longer. Awesome! Some Prepear users will upgrade to Gold to stop seeing ads. When that happens, we pay you directly for recipes used. Our marketplace also lets you build unique meal plans and digital cookbooks in just a few clicks. You can sell them to your readers, and we'll sell them to the entire community in Prepear. Our pros love how Prepear keeps their readers coming back to their site and helps them reach a massive audience of home cooks on the lookout for new recipes. Apply to become a Prepear Pro today to strengthen and diversify your site's revenue for a healthier business. It's free and easy to start. Welcome to the age of connected cooking.